Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I want to introduce you to Google's new artificial intelligence. This AI is capable of creating videos. It's one of the most precise and professional video generating AIs, the new version of Google's AI. With this AI, you can create completely professional and precise videos. It has the ability to add sound to videos. That means the AI itself adds audio to your video automatically. It has a lot of features. This AI was developed by Google, is one of the most precise and best video generating AIs. It does the audio dubbing on the video itself. These are sample videos created by the AI. You can see for yourself how precise and professional they are and how real these videos look. In this section, whatever text I enter, it converts the text into a video for me. This AI also has the ability to turn images into videos. Now I'm setting this on the third version of the AI, which is the third version of this AI, and is extremely powerful in video creation. It's one of the most precise and professional AIs out there. Right now, I told it to make an elephant riding a motorcycle. We searched the name of the AI on the internet, and now we're entering the AI's website. This is the name of the website. I entered the text here and now it's converting the text into a video for me. I gave a text to the AI, an elephant riding a motorcycle. Now it's creating the video for me. This AI is one of the most powerful and professional video making AIs. It has extremely high capability in creating videos with AI. This AI creates videos completely fast and accurately. Also, the AI itself adds sound to the video. This is one of the strongest and best video making AIs that has been created so far. Google's AI. The previous AI is this AI with which you can also create completely professional videos. Now, I'll show you two examples of videos that I made using this AI. I told the AI to make a video of a cat cooking, and this is the video it created for me. You can see for yourself how accurately and professionally it created the videos for me. This AI has a lot of capabilities in creating professional videos and can make completely professional and precise videos for you. I told the AI to make a video of a chicken and a rooster riding a bicycle, and these are the sample videos it created for me. You can see for yourself how accurately and professionally this AI has created the videos for me. If you want to learn how to use this AI, follow our channel. In a few days, I'll upload a complete tutorial on how to use this AI for you, and these are some sample videos it has made for me. For example, I just told it a cat cooking. The AI even added sound to the video for me. These are sample videos that this AI has made for me. You can see for yourself how accurately and professionally it has just created these videos for me. You can work with this AI and create any video you like using it. This AI has the ability to turn images into videos. That means you upload an image into this AI, it converts the image into a video for you. This AI has a lot of capabilities in video creation and can make completely professional and precise videos for you. Thank you for staying with us until the end of this video. If you're interested in AI, be sure to follow our channel because we have new tutorial videos on working with AI every day. If you have any questions, be sure to ask them in the comments. If you liked it, give this video a like. Thank you for staying with us until the end of the video. And also, in a few days, I'll upload a complete tutorial on how to use this AI for you. If you'd like, follow our channel because in a few days, I'll upload the full tutorial for you on how to use this AI and how to create these professional and precise videos using it.